Okay, a little bit of water. Right at the seam. Oops. Okay. And then we're going to take this. This is probably going to have a little bit of a gap, but that's okay. Work with me. We're going to lay this right to cover up our
seam.
Cover up the seam. Yep, multitude of sins here. Cover them up. Okay, right down to the end. That looks pretty good. Ta-da! And then of course we need to do that to the other side. So I'm going to let that sit there for a second. Because there's one more thing I need to do with this. Let me get my chocolate. I have a bamboo skewer here, and in order to get this to be long enough to stick into my cake, I'm actually not sticking the wires into the cake, I'm actually going to use the skewer. So what I want is a piece here and a piece here that that's actually going to go into the cake and into the bottom cake. So support at the bottom and support at the top. I want to dip them in chocolate and put them in here so that they'll stay and hopefully not move around. When you do this, it's just a bamboo skewer, but when you do it, you want to make sure that you hold both ends. I'm using wire cutters, or it'll shoot across the room into my cameraman, which would be bad. Again. I tell them that every time, just so they know that I am watching out for this guy. Okay. A little bit of chocolate. Put it in. Okay, and then plenty to come out. Put it in the end, right where the wire is. Hopefully I can get it in there. Normally I push this in before I put the fondant on, but of course I didn't think about that. Yeah, I do it before I put the fondant on, but I've forgotten about it. I'm like, oh, this seems so short all of a sudden, but that's all right. I'll just rub it out again. Oops. It's not sticking. There we go. So make sure you get that in there. Okay.